Alright guys, I just pulled up to this Walmart and I have not done this one before. So it is really quite tight. I got a parking lot on this side. I don't really have any cars in my way, but I don't have enough room to turn around. So hopefully you guys can see this, because we're not going to answer that one right now. We're going to pull this up and we're going to try to make a game plan. So it told me to enter over here, but that's really not right. There is just enough room, it looks like, to turn around right over there. And the way that we'll do that is coming this way around like that. Or see, there's not enough room here. The trailer is longer, so we can't spin it there. Right here, it'll be tight right here. What I might have to do, which I'm not really happy about, I might just have to go through right the front of Walmart. So that's an option. So I could come out this way, go north on this road, turn in here, come back this way, and go this way, and be lined up for the dock. You know what? I think that is exactly what we're gonna go do. Unless on the way over there, I find a better option. Like a place to be able to turn around. Alright. Yeah, no, right here, I mean, I could probably get it to turn around right here. No, it's too tight. But I can offset back right there, most likely. So we'll set up for that as a option, and we'll see what it looks like. It looks good. That looks good. All right, so we'll try that. So bring the wheel sharp this way. Try to get it going out that way. Nope, not gonna work. I'm getting too close to this curve over here. That's gonna be just too tight. We have a safer option going all the way out this way and going up this road, so there's no reason to try to force it. Now we just know for future reference that if I come out to this Walmart again, I need to come in on this street. I need to be facing the opposite way. I went the way that the computer told me to because I didn't know this one, but now I know, and so that mistake won't happen again. So we'll just wait for a clearance right out here. And that's good enough for what we need. Come in sharp right here again. And I'm gonna crowd this space a little bit and take up all this room right here. You see how I did that to keep my axles way out there? Thank you for not moving. Appreciate that. All right, and we cleared that curb. So I just basically kept going and used up all the room I had available. And we're gonna do the same thing right here. Just keep up all the room and use it all up. It's always better to use more room than what you think you need, because when you cut it too short, it's really hard to fix it then. So I just prefer to use up as much space as possible. So now, as we come back up to this Walmart, we're gonna be facing the right way. And we didn't have to try to mess with going over the curb right here. getting too close to this fence or the wall over there. It was just safer to go all the way around. So now that we're all the way around, even though I already know that right here is cleared, I just saw it, you always come back and take a look in case something has changed. So looking, we can see that there's no car, nothing has changed since the last time I looked at it. So to get up against this wall, we don't have any yellow lines helping us at all. So we're gonna use the wall as a line, and you see this black line right here, we're gonna use that to help us line us up to the padding. So from the wall to that line is about 1 trailer width. So that's all I would need to know, about give or take a little bit. So to do that, we're just gonna come out here like this, come out about somewhere right in there, and we're gonna come sharp like this, and then we're gonna come in sharp like this. So that put the axles right about where I wanted them. So now we're gonna bring the wheel like so, and just slowly back it up. It's going into the spot I want it. Now we could use this mirror here. So it's going where I want it. Now, all right, now we're going towards that wall, that's fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go forward, and we're gonna turn this way. Now, we can see that we're clear on this side, and we're clear on this side. So now I know that I'm not gonna hit the trailer over there. I'm just gonna look out this mirror, and I'm gonna aim for that padding. So, just keep that padding in my mirror, and come all the way down. Now I know if I do that, oh, it got out my mirror again. So now I'm just gonna use that mirror over there until I see this one again. There we go, I can see it, but we need to move over a little bit more. Yep, I need to move over a little bit more, so let me put a slight angle on that trailer. There we go, perfect, all right. So now just slowly back it up, and we're gonna use the shadow that's on the ground this time to know when we get close so we don't hit it too hard. And that shadow is almost gone now. It is gone now, so now we're just gonna slowly bring it back. Check this side, yep, we're good. There, I took it out of gear. I forgot to take it out of gear. So it was giving me a lot of stop and go. And there we go, we hit. So if we put it in gear, you'll see we won't move anymore, even though that was really light. See, we're all the way up at the dock. Perfect. So that's that. Now, I don't know how well that came in on camera or not, because I didn't use the phone to get it set up, because I was just at a bad angle. Didn't really have time to set up. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And that's if I upload this video. I don't know if I am or not yet. Anyway, thank you for watching if I did.